Your newborn grunts, squirms, and makes noise all night. Here is what is actually happening. New parents think something is wrong. Nothing is wrong. Newborns spend about half their sleep in active sleep, which is the equivalent of REM sleep in adults. During active sleep, they grunt, twitch, flail their arms, make faces, and even cry out, briefly, without waking up. This is completely normal and actually important for brain development. The mistake most parents make is rushing in the moment they hear a sound, which actually wakes the baby fully when they would have settled on their own in 20 to 30 seconds. The rule is pause before you respond. Wait 20 to 30 seconds. If they escalate, go in. If they settle, they were never fully awake. That pause will save you hours of sleep over the coming weeks. Follow. I share one tip like this every single day.